Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Wonders of the Sea. Synonym, antonym and make sentence. I repeat, our today's topic is Wonders of the Sea, synonym, antonym and make sentence. So look at both. I have added here 4 pictures. Each and every pictures are important to understand our topic Wonders of the Sea. So what are the wonders of the sea? Look at the first picture. We see here the seaside, which is very common to all the visitors, those who visit to the sea. In the second picture, we see the whale. In the deep of the ocean, where water is very deep, we see the giant whale. In the second picture, we see the dolphins, which are swimming about. The third one, the fourth one is about see there, that the octopuses. Like the dolphins, we see octopus are seen in the deep of the ocean. These are the description of the 4 pictures. Boys and girls, these are the wonders of the sea. Okay, so listen, to understand word meaning, synonym, antonym and make sentence, we need to read the summary of the passage at first. So let us read the summary of the passage. Most of us enjoy going to places near the sea. It is fun to swim in the sea and play games on the beach. But we see only the surface of the sea. However, people who dive underwater find many different creatures. They can see fish and other sea creatures swimming about. The most colorful fish live in warm seas. They can see turtles and dolphins too. Many animals live along the seashores. Cockles live under the sand. In the middle of the ocean, the water is very deep. Here we can see the giant whales, soft jellyfishes and octopuses. In the past, people talked about a beautiful creatures, the mermaid, who had the head and the body of a woman, the tail of the fish. This is a summary of the passage. So now we will go to our question pattern. At first, word meaning. So look, how many word meaning I have given here? 4 word meaning. Look at the first one, surface. Pronounce with me, surface. The top or outside part of something. Second, creatures. Pronounce creatures. Living things. Creature means living things. Third, blind. Not be able to see. Not be able to see. The fourth one is sailed. Moved from one place to place on a boat or a ship. These are the 4 word meaning. Now we will go to synonym and antonym. At first word, then synonym, then antonym. Look at the first one, beautiful. Synonym is nice, antonym ugly. Pronounce with me, ugly. Second one, bottom. Synonym base, antonym tough. Third one, warm. Synonym hot, antonym cold. Fourth one, giant. Pronounce with me, giant. Synonym huge, antonym tiny. Pronounce with me, tiny. Now make sentences. How many make sentences I have given here? 4 make sentences. So look at the first one, surface. Pronounce with me, surface. We can see only the surface of the sea. We can see only the surface of the sea. Number 2, dive. We can find many things diving underwater. Number 3, creatures. Number 3, creatures. There are many creatures under the sea. Number 4, sail. Number 4, sail. Sailors sail from one place to another. So dear students, what have you learned? We have learned word meaning, synonym, antonym in make sentences. So keep it in mind that whenever you will prepare make sentence, you can prepare yourself but you have to ensure that these are grammatically correct. Now, I hope that all of you have understood our today's topic. Read the text again and again, keep practicing at home, eat a balanced diet and take physical exercise regularly and listen to your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.